Hi, welcome all. I am Gautam from MG Wealth Day Trader. So today let's see what are the stocks we have taken in our watch list and how it have behaved in the market. Okay. So today we have taken almost 6 stocks for our intraday trading. So we have know already today the market opened gap down. Nifty opened gap down almost 200 points gap down opened. So there is no trade in the Nifty as I have mentioned in the earlier videos. So if the market is gap up or gap down, it always tend to be in a sideways action only. So there is no trade in the Nifty. So because the Nifty is open gap down, all other stocks is also gap down opened. So there are only few trade we have taken today. So let's see one by one. In the Chamber Fertilizer, it is open gap down and it didn't retrace to our level. So our level is inside the yesterday's high and low. It didn't came back inside our level. So it opened gap down and it is opened below the yesterday's low and it didn't retrace back to the POC or the volume cluster here. So there is no trade in this stock. So the next stock is FSL. So the same scenario for the FSL, it didn't retrace back much to our level, so there is no trade. If the market retrace back to this level, I mark the level here. So if the market retrace back to this POC or the volume cluster here, so there is a trade. We waited for the stock to retrace back, but it didn't retrace up to our level, so there is no trade in the stock. So the next stock is Lost Labs. So the Lost Labs, in the last video I have said if the market came to this level, so this is the day before yesterday's POC. So if the market retraced to this level, we have a trade. In the opening range, the market opened and rejected in this POC. So we have taken trade here around 539 to 40. So we have booked almost 15 to 20 points in this trade. So the target will be yesterday's POC or the value area low because it is open down. So this is the target. I'm going to mark the target. So this will be the target. We have taken trade at 539 and yesterday's POC is our target 556 to 58. So almost 2% profit in this stock. At the time of entry, the ATR value is 6 points. So I have maintained the day low as a stop loss and have booked almost 2 or 3 times from the stop loss. Okay. So the next stock is a Persistence like the Chamber Fertilizer and FSL, it didn't retrace back to the yesterday's level, so there is no trade in this stock. And the next stock is a Petronet. In the Petronet, the market opened inside the yesterday's high and low. So you can clearly see it retraced back to the POC. So there is a trade in this stock. So this is the POC level and this is the value area high. So market opened inside the yesterday's high and low and retraced back to the POC and rejected at the POC. So we have taken trade at 223.30 paise. At the time of trade, the ATR value is 1.4. So we maintained the stop loss around 3 to 4 points and we have booked almost 5 to 6 points in this trade. So here we have booked the trade around yesterday's open. So this is the target place. So in this, if the market is trending downwards or upwards from your point of entry, you can trial your stop loss. You can wait for the more bigger targets. Okay. So the next stock is Tata Chemical. So like other stocks, it is also open gap down and it didn't retrace back to the yesterday's higher low or the POC. So I marked the volume profile for yesterday's range. So if the market retraced here in the tomorrow's trade, so we have a good trade in the stock. So if the market opened here or anyways, when the market reach here, we can take a trade here in this Tata Chemical stock. Okay. So that's all for today. We have taken only 2 trades. Today we have booked a good profit in both of the trades. So if you have any doubts or if you have any doubt in the volume profile or in related to the volume profile in the price action, so feel free to contact us. I have given our contact number in the description box, and I will give you a mail ID to contact, and that number is also a WhatsApp number, so you can text us anytime. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet tomorrow. Thank you.